Let's be honest, work doesn't have to be a grind. What if you could say goodbye to the daily commute, the noisy office, and the endless meetings? Instead, what if you could earn a great income from the comfort of your own home, or even from anywhere in the world? You're probably thinking, that sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the secret. Remote work is not only possible, it's thriving. And today, I'm going to show you the top high-paying remote jobs you can start right now. No experience required. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have your roadmap to a more flexible, more profitable future. First on the list, software developer. These folks are the architects of the digital world. Companies are paying top dollar for skilled developers, with salaries averaging over $120,000 a year. And here's the best part. You don't necessarily need a degree in computer science. Platforms like Codecademy and FreeCodeCamp can help you get started. Speaking of learning curves, our next job has one of the shortest paths to entry. 2. Digital marketing specialist. Businesses today are desperate for digital marketers who can drive traffic and boost sales online. From managing ad campaigns to optimizing websites, this role can earn you $70,000 to $100,000 annually, without spending years in school. And here's what's exciting. You don't need to be a social media influencer to excel. Tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot are your best friends. Imagine helping brands go viral while sipping coffee in your pajamas. 3. UX UI designer. Ever visited a website and thought, wow, this is so easy to use? That's the magic of UX UI designers. They make digital experiences enjoyable, and companies pay handsomely for it, up to $110,000 a year on average. Here's why this job is in high demand. Every business is racing to improve their online presence. If you're creative and detail-oriented, this could be your lane. Plus, platforms like Figma and Adobe XD make learning accessible and fun. 4. Remote project manager. If you're great at organizing chaos, remote project management might be your calling. This role pays anywhere between $90,000 and $130,000 annually. You'll be leading teams, setting deadlines, and ensuring everything runs smoothly, all from the comfort of your home. Think of it as being the conductor of an orchestra, except instead of violins, you're managing spreadsheets and Zoom meetings. Oh, and you won't have to wear a tuxedo, unless you want to. Now, for those of you thinking I want something even more flexible, this last option is a game changer. 5. Freelance copywriter. Finally, freelance copywriting, where words make you money. Brands are constantly on the hunt for talented writers to create ads, emails, and website content. Top freelancers earn over $100,000 a year, all while setting their own schedules. But here's the catch. Companies won't hire you if your portfolio is empty. The good news? You can start building one by writing for small businesses or even your own blog. Don't wait. Every day you're not writing is a missed paycheck. So there you have it. 5 high-paying remote jobs that can transform your life. Whether you're a tech whiz, a creative thinker, or someone who loves organization, there's something here for everyone. And the best part? These jobs are waiting for you to take the leap. Now, if you're serious about making more money and exploring even more opportunities, check out my next video where I share my experience trying 5 side hustles over 30 days. You won't believe what I learned. It's a must-watch. Click on the screen now and I'll see you there.